Hello guys, what's up? Croatian travelers are back. Today we are in the front of Grand Hyatt hotel in Athens, and now we will go in and show you what you can get for $200 per night in the capital of Greece. Going to elevators and first floor, I think. I was wrong. First we are going to the lower lobby. So here we have a gym and a spa. This is the entrance to spa. Perfect, thank you. Unbelievable. You must admit, this looks dope. It's unbelievable. It's so good. And now we are going to the first floor, where is the outdoor pool number 1. Okay, we are on the first floor now, and we are going to check out the outdoor pool. Here they have also the bar where they serve cocktails and food. Now we are going to floor number 8, where is the second outdoor pool and the restaurant too. This is the rooftop pool, and here they also serve breakfast. So for breakfast we will come tomorrow morning to check it out. But now first let's go to see the views. Our room is on the 5th floor, so now we will go there. The view, it's nothing special, but it's fine. So guys, that's everything for today. See you in the morning for the breakfast. Bye. Good morning, guys. It's busy morning. Guys, that was amazing breakfast. Thank you for watching, and now you know what you can get for $200 per night in Athens. And look this view. Bye.